Okay guys, this is the second part to the video that I made earlier. So this video is just going to talk about what your CV should look like solely. Now I want to address something because I've gotten a lot of questions in my DM. This video is just talking to people that are in New Zealand already and are looking for a job. I would probably do a video on people that are migrating. They are not in New Zealand, they are looking for how or jobs or things like that. I would probably do a video on it, but this is for people that are in New Zealand already. So let me get straight into it on what your CV should look like. Number one, I feel like this is a general advice. Make your CV straight to the point. Don't overload your CV. When you're having 4-page CV, I don't know, except you are applying for a managerial role or director level role or board of director where you have to put everything in. If you're applying for mid-level, junior roles, entry level, please make your CV short and straight to the point. 1 page, 2 page, maybe 3 page, right? But 1, 2, 3, it's okay. But when it's entering 4, 5, I think it's too much. Second one is describe the key goal of your role. Now this is what I mean by saying that don't just list out duties like, oh, these are my duties. No, what was the goal? What did you achieve? And also make it numeric in the sense that, like, oh, this is an example. I settled 25,000 transaction within 24 hours. You know, I was able to accomplish 60% of put numbers, put statistic, put data. It creates a visual image of what you're saying. Don't just list out, oh, I used to do this, I do this. So what you did, how did it impact the organization? That's where the numeric comes in. What are the impact of those duties that you have done? How did it impact the organization? How did they add value to the organization? That is what you are looking at. That's the second thing. Now the third thing is embrace their culture in your CV. See, let me tell you something. New Zealand is far away from a lot of people, a lot of places. I mean, I feel like we're one of the farthest country. In fact, it's not even we're the farthest country from everyone else. So you have to embrace their culture. If you have something on your CV that says, oh, I'm learning Maori, or like something that shows that you're embracing their culture, or you're currently taking classes on Maori, do you understand? Something that says, or just infuse their culture in your CV. Let them see that, okay, this person, and something that say, oh, I'm open to multicultural background, because you're not from here, and they want to see that this person is embracing, this person is willing to learn their own culture and is open to learning their own culture. Do you understand? It's an English speaking country, so don't think that, oh, is there a language barrier or something? No, but make your CV embraceable, like you're open to their culture as well. The fourth thing is describe where you've worked in relation to New Zealand. This is what I mean. For example, if you worked in a bank in Nigeria, when you are writing it on your CV, put something, let's say you worked with Fidelity Bank, put in brackets something similar. If you worked in a fintech, put in something similar in New Zealand, so they have context to what you're saying. Like, they don't know Nigeria, trust me. So that's sometimes I don't even get angry when they like ask some funny question, because they are far away. They're not trying to be wicked, but they're just far away. They don't know it. So it is your job to explain it on your CV. You worked with a bank, oh, look for an organization that is closely related to the bank you're trying to describe and put it there. For example, the school I went to was one of the top, I think, top 500 in Africa. I put it there in brackets. I went to so school, and it is one of the top. So they understand, they understand what you're trying to say. Another thing is remove any guesswork that has to do with your immigration status on your CV. Trust me, when you're putting guesswork on anything that has to do with your immigration, like something like I'm in a temporary visa looking for, you have even first of all disqualified, because get inside, get in the conversation first. Do you understand what I'm saying? Get in the conversation before you start explaining your situation. Just let them bring you in before you now start saying, oh, this is my current situation. But when you're already putting it on your CV, they're not even ready to talk to you. Do you understand? Because they're like, oh, I don't think we have capacity for this and this. Like, so they're just going to look for people that they know that it is easier for them to, you know, sharply work with. But if you're already using disqualifying words or things like that on your immigration status on your CV, to me, I think you're doing yourself a disservice. So try to just avoid it.